Oh, yeah? Welcome, baby. What is up, you guys? I have you in the most random spot showing you not even a cute background. Anywho, I just got myself ready for the day. I run on sun. So today and tomorrow are supposed to be sunny and gorgeous. I think it's already like really nice outside. So we are gonna head outside soon. There's a lot of noise going on. I actually should not be talking right here because I have my dishwasher going. So you can probably hear that. Sydney in the background jumping on her giant piano. I'm just throwing on some jewelry. Anywho, we are vlogging today. You know, this is sometimes not a perk of being single. Oh my gosh. Success. Anyway, we're gonna go outside. We're gonna spend some time getting some fresh air and playing. I have to run to Goodwill, bring a couple of bags to Goodwill and do some garage stuff. I'm gonna make that pasta salad that I talked about in my last video. I still haven't made it yet. It just didn't feel like a pasta salad type of weather. But today and tomorrow, it sounds good. So we'll do some pasta salad. We had yummy egg and cheese bagel sandwiches this morning. Although I ran out of mayonnaise, I've been making them with an aioli and I ran out of mayo, so I did mustard. Totally not the same. It did its job, but it's not as good. But anyway, that is what we are doing today. Okay, now I want to go check my peonies. I think they are starting to sprout, although we had snow the other day, but they are starting to sprout just a tiny bit. And then my lavender, there's still no sign of lavender, so I don't know if that's normal or not. Hopefully soon we will see some. I don't think I see any. Love it.
It's the biggest one.
Yeah, it is. Sydney and I are now inside and I have enlisted her help. We are gonna make that pasta salad with like a homemade Italian dressing. Don't mind so much stuff behind. For the dressing, I have a very good olive oil. I have white wine vinegar, salt and pepper, garlic powder, onion powder, red pepper flakes if you want them. I'm gonna do just the tiniest bit. Parsley flakes, basil, fresh lemon juice, and I'm gonna like make the dressing separately, and if I have extra then I'll keep it in the fridge. For the pasta salad, we've got tomatoes, olives, cucumbers, cheddar cheese. I might throw some peppers in there, we will see. And then I did make the pasta just a little while ago and it's been sitting, coming to room temperature. Some tri-colored pasta. Oh, yeah. Oh, it might be warm. You okay? You want a noodle? Of course you do. All right, let's get to making it. Okay, ready?
Can I do that?
Help me. Okay. So we got the olive oil, some white wine vinegar. Then we're gonna do a crack of pepper. Do you want to do some pepper?
Yeah, I can do it by my own.
You can do it. You just twist that, okay?
Okay.
Hold this and twist that. Good girl. A little more. Okay. Salt, we only do a tiny bit of, okay? Okay. Whoa. Let's do some basil.
Can I do some major? I'm good.
Okay. Parsley.
I can do the parsley. I think it's good. I'm not gonna do
No.
it.
See how fast that comes out? You only need the tiniest bit. That was garlic.
Can I do the garlic?
Onion, we already did it.
Can I
Help
do-
Mama, but just a little bit. And then this one's really spicy, so we're only gonna do a little bit.
Can I do a little bit? I'm good at doing a little. I can do a little.
If you do too much, it will burn your tongue. So just a tiny bit.
Tiny bit.
Okay.
Why do we not? Why do you got to do a tiny bit because it'll burn my tongue?
Because it's spicy. Okay, ready? When you whisk, you go. Just like that.
You do this.
I'm doing so good. The Parmesan.
Mommy, how do you do that?
Yeah, I know, it grates it, huh? I saw a recipe that called for some honey, so we're gonna try a little bit of honey in there. So before serving it, I just topped it with a little bit more Parmesan cheese. I love cheese if you can't tell, but I think a little bit more Parmesan in the pasta salad or in the dressing itself, perfection, you guys. So good. Sydney and I are gonna go have a bowl of this outside in the sunshine. There's water and then a napkin if you needed it. Okay. Is it good? So nice today.
Mama,
What? What, baby?
Mama, if I eat this, I will have more. If I eat this, Mama.
You are?
Yes. Because it's so good.
You did a good job. Give me a high five. We are heading to Goodwill now. I am totally out of breath. I just filled my trunk with a few things and popped City in the car seat. Now I'm like, ugh. Anywho, we've been enjoying the weather so much outside. We had the pasta salad, which was delicious. Just a perfect warm day, like lunch or snack. So good. So yeah, bringing a couple things to Goodwill, and then probably heading home just to play for the rest of the day. Like I said, I have a little bit of house chores to do, but my house is in pretty good shape. I've got like a little bit of laundry. We are gonna have a play date tomorrow. My friend's gonna watch Sydney for just a little bit, and then I'll be back and we'll have a play date tomorrow because it's supposed to be high of 65. What, baby?
Who's gonna watch you?
No, Erica's gonna watch you for a little bit. Okay? Okay, for a Monday, this line is so long. There's like 5 or 6 vehicles in front of me on a Monday afternoon. But yeah, very, very happy to be getting rid of clutter. I swear I do this in every vlog. I swear.
Mommy.
What, sweetie?
I love my Simba.
I know, Sydney's a little sad because we're donating her rocking Simba. It's like a little rocking horse. Well, Simba. But she's way too big for it.
I really love the money.
A little person, a little boy or girl is gonna love that. They're gonna be so happy and say thank you so much to whoever donated this, because I love it. And you know what? We have to make room in our garage and in your playroom. We have to make room. Okay? As you get older, we have to get rid of the things that are don't fit you anymore, like clothes and stuff too, right?
Yeah, but don't get rid of my stuffed animals.
Don't get rid of any more stuffed animals?
No.
While we were out, I had to get a Starbucks. It's been a couple of weeks since I've had one, and I was in the area, so I was craving it. I just got the Irish cream cold brew with extra foam. They actually did so much foam today, which is quite delicious. But yeah, they usually don't do this much foam. I'm gonna do some dishes. Sydney is exhausted and ready for some downtime, so she's gonna watch a little bit of TV. And I'm gonna do, like I said, dishes, and then probably get to editing a little bit and unwind, like chill, unwind, and relax.
And I'm hungry.
You're hungry again?
Yeah. Yes.
What do you want, babe?
I don't know.
Oh, you're so cute. Do you want some more pasta salad? You hot?
Can I have more sugar?
More sugar?
Yeah.
No. You want cucumbers? I can cut you up some cucumbers.
Yeah. Can I have a bigger bowl?
A big bowl of cucumbers?
Yeah.
Okay.
But it was cucumbers. Can I have the wine god?
Yes.
Wanna be free of this heart, yeah. Wanna feel your arms around me. I need you more, need you here, more than I would like to admit. Let's forget about tomorrow, yeah. Should I hide away forever? Should I close my eyes and never again hold you tight, call you mine, think about you every time? I remember that it's over, yeah. You never break, you never lie, you're never ever scared of the dark. So why am I the one who cries? I'm so afraid to be left behind. I think about you a lot. It's almost like I can't stop, yeah. You never lose an argument, so I've been trying hard to pretend that I'm okay. It's just a phase, and every everything is going just great. I think about you a lot. It's almost like I can't stop. Can't stop. Yeah, yeah. I always knew that this would happen. Yeah. You would find a new distraction. I need you more, need you here.
Okay, I just made Sydney's like 4,000 Easter baskets filled with lots of candy. I just made Sydney some fish sticks for dinner. I filled up on a second bowl of pasta salad while I was editing a little bit. So Sydney's eating her dinner right now over there. And I was just on the phone with my mom FaceTiming her. I booked a TRIP to DISNEY for a little ways away, and I'm convincing my mom to come with us. But she has to just check with her work, but we will see. So I am so, as you can imagine, just consumed with excitement for the future. That is what has been going on for the last little bit. And I think we're just gonna chill. I think with Sydney's gonna eat dinner. We're gonna chill. She's pretty tired. She woke up a little bit early today. So I think she's gonna go to bed early. And then I'm gonna hit the hay. Not too much else going on today. I was able to get a little bit of housework done, like dishes and whatnot, but I do have a little bit of picking up to do in the living room, but that's it. It's not too bad. Is it good? Oh, you are chowing. Wow. Is that good?
Yeah, and I'm not poop. I'm sorry.
Stop it.
And
Stop it.
you guys, I didn't know that.
I should be sitting with her while she eats dinner, but this is what I want to do.
I would like to admit, can we let go of tomorrow? Yeah, you never break, you never lie, you never ever scared of